BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Bukhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bukhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bukhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Bukhara.
Thank you, Nigel. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Systems scan ready.
Affirmative. Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bukhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Right, 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump! They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to drive away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, 9-Num? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas?
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship is under the full command of General Hux in the First Order.
Now, all of you, get up.
Ich lasse die jetzt die ganze Zeit laufen.
Weapon scanning detail needed in Bay 3R.
Think to your right. How many you have there?
2.
Two, stay to your right. How many you have? Center line, follow it, and you know where to stop. Thank you. Right there.
Those along the wall, you'll follow after me. Those along the middle, you'll follow after them.
Straight line. Get in there.
How many? Stand there on red. You'll be on blue. How many
2.
here? You'll be on blue as well. How many here? Now 4 on orange and 4 on silver. 4 on orange and 4 on silver. Now look down at the colors below your feet. These will be vital for your interrogation. Once the cell door opens, you'll enter one unit at a time and stay at the center of the cell.
Want to be in the front?
Press this one once. Press this one twice. You want to know what you just did? Wasted about 5 seconds. Bags that you may have. Do not lean on my wall. Silver and orange, follow after them. Grab.
I'm standing up against the wall, so you don't want to stand against the wall. Swords and stuff.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Right there. All right, with the resistance, try to rescue. Right this way. Let's get out of here. Find your colored rows. Blue and red on the left, silver orange to the right. Find your colored rows. Blue and red on the left, silver and orange to the right. Colored red and
Ben, we have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? Hull's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recaudos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
And my turbo, pull that yellow tab on the right, please. The yellow one, have the seatbelt. There we go. Watch your arms and legs here on the end. I love to follow the rules. We'll work here, not issues. Alright, pilots up front, I'm gonna get you out of here. Feels good to be back with the resistance.
You're in. So true.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in section block 3. Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway? Attention block breach. Prisoners not seen on level T. Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is short as a bomb.
Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, Scaffold's pod beacon.
Escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification